What if I were to tell you that a teacher can find out immediately if today's lesson was successful? How, you ask? By using a classroom assessment technique called the Muddiest point. It is one of the easiest classroom assessment techniques used by instructors to identify difficulty in student comprehension from a class lesson. This technique was developed as a feedback technique by a professor of statistics at Harvard University in 1989, a Dr. Frederick Mosteller. What are the advantages of using the Muddiest point? First of all, students can benefit from reflecting on what was taught that day. This can also help them with information retention and also anonymous for their own privacy. Students will not feel singled out. Next, let's look at the benefit for teachers. It requires very little preparation, quick and easy for the instructor to preview, and it also provides information to the instructor in time to correct misconceptions by the next class meeting. What are the cons of this type of technique? Comments may be discouraging for the instructor. Students may have a problem trying to articulate the problem or the concern they have. How is it implemented? Step 1. The teacher hands out individual index cards to the students with about 5 minutes left of class. Step 2. Students are asked to write a response in a sentence or two to the following question. What was the muddiest point for you in today's lesson? Now, to conclude the lesson for today, have the student place the index cards in a card box located near the door of the classroom exit. The teacher can now collect and review the cards and plan a response to the most pertinent questions. Some ways to respond to questions would be to address them at the start of the next class. Also, if there was a lot of questions, the teacher can prepare a handout for the students that addresses those questions. I would like to thank you for your time today and hope you enjoyed this presentation.